Shocking proof Igbos were here first. This group expresses all human phenotypic traits without admixture. When thinking of Africa, Black Africans, and especially Black West Africans, many people like to promote that Africans are monolithic with very little diversity, but this special group proved time and time again that this is not the case. When thinking about diverse features within Black people across the globe like ginger or blonde afros, differing complexions, different colored eyes, varying sized facial features, Pseudo-Asian eyes, and body hair, many people chalk this up to foreign DNA. For example, all of these features can be found in the Caribbean, Americas, African island countries like Cape Verde, and to some degree in the Horn of Africa. But Igbos are one of the only Black groups that express such varied features, whilst still being 100% African. You would be right to wonder, how is it that an ethnic group has so much genetic diversity and expresses so many genetic looks that can be placed in various continents without any outside influence? Could it be because they were the first inhabitants of the globe and most human gene expressions, in fact, came from them? The Igbos' origins remain debatable, with some people claiming they are indigenous to present-day eastern Nigeria, some claiming that they are the original Jews, and some even claiming that groups like the Igbo traveled the globe far and wide before Columbus. These theories make you wonder, considering the genetic traits from various places that Igbos can express, the traces of Igbo DNA found in various countries throughout the New World, and even some of the similarities between the traditional Igbo spiritual system and Far Eastern culture. For example, the terms chi in Igbo culture and chi in Chinese culture. In Igbo, chi refers to a personal spirit, guardian angel, or life force that guides an individual's destiny. In Chinese culture, qi is a universal vital life force or energy that flows through all things, essential for health and well-being. The Igbo are one of present-day Nigeria's major ethnic groups, with a population of over 35 million in Nigeria alone. There are various accounts of the Igbo people's genetic diversity in historical literature, including the book Among the Igbos, written by the British colonialist George T. Basden and published in 1921. In his book, he states, on the whole, the Igbos are of good physique and compare very favorably with other African tribes. Many Igbos are truly as black as the proverbial coal. Others are almost as light-skinned as the natives of southern Europe, while a few are distinctively reddish. The folk who stand out obstructively are the albinos, whilst the uneducated believe that all of the slaves involved in the Atlantic slave trade wear blue-black. Documentation and oral history proves the term Red Igbo was used to refer to light-skinned Igbo slaves that were brought from Nigeria to Jamaica during the transatlantic slave trade. This term, used by slaveholders, was adopted to identify the Igbo people due to some of their naturally lighter, yellowish skin tones, and the term is still used in Jamaica to describe light-skinned individuals with African features. Igbos are said to have been sent to the Caribbean and Americas in large numbers, which clearly had a significant impact on the phenotypical look on the respective Black populations. Some of the countries' Igbos are historically said to have been sent to include Jamaica, Barbados, Trinidad and Tobago, St. Lucia, St. Kitts and Nevis, Guyana, Brazil, Cuba, Dominican Republic, and Haiti.
We are different from other people in Nigeria. We are different people. We are not Hausa, we are not Yoruba. We have been living with our brothers in Biafra land for 5,000 years ago, and we have gone to war. We had civil war with Nigeria. When we say we are not the same, we are not the same.